Friends, how are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself, Nilofer Miss, and my subject is Mathematics. That you all know. And this today's online lecture is for the class 2. Okay? So students, I hope that you all are ready to attend this today's online lecture. Okay? So here is the today's lecture. So as you know that we always begin our lecture with the quote. So here is the today's quote, that time waits for no one. Okay, time is running and running. It is not waiting for anyone. So you should also not wait for anyone. I am talking about in the way of revision, because your exam is coming soon from the first date onwards, Monday actually. So be ready for the exam, prepare well yourself for exam, do well, do revision of all the subjects, so you will get the good result. Now we are in the chapter number 11 and the name of this chapter is a time, right? So let's start doing revision of the previous topic first, and then we are moving to the new topic. So here is the revision of the previous topic. Let's do the revision. Revision is a compulsory for you all, because if you do revision more and more, you are just getting the good result. Your information will increase. So revision is a compulsory thing. Now here is the revision. Now see this, students, in this given time we have to draw both the hands for this given time. See what time it is. It is 11 o'clock. What time it is? It is 11 o'clock. Okay dear students. Now we have to draw both the hands, short hand and long hand. It means the hour hand and a minute hand. Which hand we have to draw? We have to draw an hour hand and the minute hand. Okay, so let's draw an hour hand. It means the short hand. It is pointing to 11. See this short hand, it is exactly pointing to 11. Now see this, how many minutes is this? So the minute is 00. It shows it is pointing to exactly 12 o'clock. Number 12, it means the 00 seconds. See this, it is exactly showing 12 number, which is shows 00 second. So it is an 11 o'clock. See this red hand, which is the short hand, it is an hour hand, and the green color hand, you can see it is a minute hand. Which hand it is? It is the minute hand. This way, from the given time, you can draw both the hands. Now the next time is 12 o'clock. Both the time is given 12 o'clock. So both the hands pointing to 12 exactly. It means the time is 12 o'clock. What it means? It means the 12 o'clock. Understood, students? Now see this. Here 12 o'clock, it means the short hand exactly pointing to 12, and the minute hand is also pointing to 12. Can you see this? See this. The short hand, which is red in a color, you can see here, it is pointing to 12. Well, where it is pointing? It is pointing to 12. And the green color hand, which is also a minute hand, pointing to also on a 12. It is also pointing to 12, right? So you can see when hands shows this position, it means it is 12 o'clock. What it means? It is 12 o'clock. Now this red colored hand, which is the short hand, shows the hour. It means 12 o'clock. And the green color hand, you can see it shows the minute hand. What it shows? It shows the minute hand. Now see this. We are going to days of the week. It is very easy thing, students, and half of the class knows this days of the week spelling. But let's start days of the week doing. Everyone must know the spelling of each and every day. So do you know how many days are in the week? How many days? So what is the first day of the week? Do you know? Which one is the first day of the week? So the first day of the week is a Monday. And what is the spelling of the Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. You have to repeat the spelling with me, students. Now let's speak the spelling together. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. This is the first day of the week. Now let's do what is the next day after Monday, which is the second day of the week. Do you know, students? So the second day of the week is Tuesday. What is the second day of the week? It is Tuesday. You can see here the second day of the week is Tuesday. And what is the spelling of Tuesday? Do you know? So let's speak the spelling. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Now everyone repeat with me. Let's speak the spelling. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. This is the spelling of Tuesday. What is the spelling? It is the Tuesday. Now the next one is the third day of the week. What is the third day of the week? It is Wednesday. What you can speak? The third day of the week. So the third day of the week is Wednesday. Let's read the spelling of Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Now let's repeat after me, students. Let's speak the spelling. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. It is Wednesday. Now here is number 4. It is the fourth day of the week. What? It is the day 4 of the week, and it is a Thursday. What is the name of the fourth day of the week? The fourth day of the week is Thursday. So let's read the spelling. It is T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. It is Thursday. Now let's repeat after me, students. I will speak the spelling and you have to repeat after me. So you will remember easily the spelling of these days. So the day 4th of the week is Thursday. And the spelling of the Thursday is T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. S-D-A-Y. It is Thursday. Now the day 5. The 5th day of the week is what? Is a Friday. Can you see here in the screen? The 5th day of the week is Friday, and the spelling of the Friday is F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Now repeat after me, students. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. So Friday is the 5th day of the week. What? The Friday is the 5th day of the week. Okay, students? Now, what is the 6th day of the week? Day 6th of the week is Saturday. What is the week? What is the 6th day of the week? So here is the spelling. On the screen you can see the number 6. You can see it is the Saturday. The day number 6 is Saturday. And what is the spelling of it? So the spelling of the Saturday is S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. What is the spelling of the Saturday? S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Now you have to repeat this spelling after me. I will speak S, so you have to repeat S. Okay, just repeat after me this spelling. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. So the spelling of the Saturday is this. Now the last day of the week and also your favorite day and the holiday of the week is a Sunday. Sunday is a holiday, right? The weekend days, Saturday and Sunday is a weekend days. So the number 7 is a Sunday and it is the last day of the week and it is also a holiday, and almost all of the favorite day, the students' most favorite day is a Sunday. Now what is the spelling of Sunday? It is S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Now let's repeat this spelling again. I will speak and you have to repeat after me. Okay, students? Now S-U-N-D-A-Y. What is the spelling of the Sunday? This is the spelling of Sunday. You have to learn and write these days of the week. One time you can write down in the fair book and 5 times in the rough book. For better practicing, you have to write down this into the rough book. Now, the worksheet I have for you. Put the days, here is the instruction. Put the days of the week in the correct order. So, days are given but in the incorrect order. Days is in a incorrect order are given. But we have to start with the number 1, which is the first day of the week. It is not a Sunday. So, from this given list, which one is the first day? So, the first day of the week is a Monday. What is the first day of the week? It is Monday. Now, the second day of the week is Tuesday. What is the second day of the week? It is Tuesday. Now, the third day of the week is Wednesday. What is the third day of the week is? It is Wednesday. Now, the fourth day of the week is, it is Thursday. The day 4 of the week is Thursday. Now the 5th day of the week is Friday. What is the 5th day of the week? It is Friday. Now number 6 is the day number 6 of the week is Saturday. What is the day 6 is? So the day 6 is Saturday. Now the day 7 and also a last day of the week and a holiday of the week. The children's favorite day is Sunday and it is also a last day of the week. So this worksheet you have to write down in the fair book 1 time and in the rough book 2 times. This is compulsory for you all. Maybe some questions will ask from this worksheet. So this is a good an IMP for your exam. So please write down all the things from this worksheet. Both the worksheet you have to write down in the fair book and rough book also. I already sent the PDF of this worksheet in your group. So please write down all the things in the rough book and fair book also. Okay students? Now thank you for watching this video students. Please do well, revision well and be prepared for the exam. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Now stay home, stay safe. Bye bye students. So here is the worksheet for the time. So let's start doing this worksheet. Read the question number first. What is the question number 1? Can you read it? See this. The question number 1 is, today is Monday. What? This is the information provided to us that today is a Monday. So what day is tomorrow? If today is Monday, what day is tomorrow? Just understand the question first. Today is a Monday. It is already given. Today is a Monday. What day is tomorrow? So the options is given here. You can see these options is given. First one is a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These options are given. We have to choose the correct option and write down the answer, and the answer box is also given here. Okay. So the question is, today is Monday. What day is tomorrow? So after Monday, which day will come? Do you know? After Monday, which day will come? So after Monday, the day is come is Tuesday. Which day is come after Monday? So what day is tomorrow? So tomorrow, if it is Monday today, so tomorrow will be Tuesday. What day it is tomorrow? After Monday it is Tuesday. So the right answer is Tuesday. Now the next one is, what day was yesterday? If today is Monday, so before Monday, which day was? What day was yesterday? So you have to write down before Monday it was. Which day it was? Before Monday. Can you assume which day will come? Have you any idea? That before Monday, which day it was? So before Monday it was a Sunday. Before Monday it was a Sunday. So these types of question may become in the exam. So you have to just very careful understand the questions first and then write down the answers. So here is, today is a Thursday. The next question is, today is a Thursday. Which day it is? See, the question is today is Thursday. What day is tomorrow? So if today is Thursday, what day is tomorrow? So after Thursday, which day will come? After Thursday, which day will come? So after Thursday, the next day will be a Friday. Which is the next day? So after Thursday, the tomorrow and the next day is a Friday. Tomorrow, it means the next day of Thursday. So after Thursday, the tomorrow, it means the next day is a Friday. Understood, students? Now the yesterday. What day was yesterday? So yesterday, it means the before. So before Thursday, it was which day? What is the question is that what day was yesterday? It means before Thursday. What day it was before Thursday? This is the question. That what is the day before, what day was before Thursday? You have to think about it. That which day was before Thursday. So before Thursday, it was Wednesday. Which day it is? Before Thursday, we are talking about before. So before Thursday, it was Wednesday. What day? It was Wednesday before Thursday. Okay, students. Now the next question. Today is a Tuesday. Which day it is today? So here the question is today is Tuesday. Here is the question. Today is Tuesday. What day is tomorrow? So tomorrow, it means the next day. So if today is Tuesday, just listen this. If today is Tuesday, what is the next day? It means the tomorrow. So if today is Tuesday, the next day is a Wednesday. Which day after Tuesday? What day after Tuesday? So after Tuesday, it is a Wednesday. You can see I write the correct answer. That what day is tomorrow? It means if today is Tuesday, the next day, it means the tomorrow is a Wednesday. Do you understood, students? If today is Tuesday, the next day is a tomorrow, it means the Wednesday. Then the yesterday. What day was yesterday? It means before Tuesday. Which day was? The question is that if today is Tuesday, which day was before it? Exactly one day before. What day was that? So before Tuesday, it was a Monday, because after Monday, the Tuesday is come. So if today is Tuesday, if today is Tuesday, so before one day, it was a Monday. It means the yesterday was Monday. Now the next one is if today is Wednesday. What? If the today is a Wednesday, what day is tomorrow? If today is Wednesday, the next day is Thursday, because after Wednesday, it is Thursday. After Wednesday, it is Thursday. Now the next question is, what day was yesterday? It means the before Wednesday. What day was yesterday? It means before Wednesday. Which day was? So before Wednesday, it was a Tuesday. What day it is? It was Tuesday. Now if today is Friday, here is the question. Can you see? See this. If today is a Friday, what day is tomorrow? It means the next day of the Friday is, do you know which day is after Friday? So after Friday it is Saturday. The day after Friday it is a Saturday. Now the next question is, what day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? It means the before Friday. Before Friday it is which day? It was which day? So before Friday it is a Thursday. Which day it was? Because it is the before Friday. Before Friday it is Thursday. Okay students. Now days of the week worksheet. Next question. What day comes before Wednesday? Just understand the question first. What day comes before Wednesday? What day comes before Wednesday? So the answer is Tuesday. Before Wednesday it was a Tuesday. This is the answer. Then the next question is, what day comes after Monday? Which day after Monday it is come after Monday? It is Tuesday. Which day after Monday is? So after Monday the next day is a Tuesday. Now the next question. What day comes after Wednesday? What day come after Wednesday? So after Wednesday the day come is Thursday. After Wednesday the next day comes is a Thursday. Then the next question. What day comes before Friday? What day comes before Friday? It means the Thursday, because Thursday comes before Friday. Thursday is the day which comes before Friday. Now the next question. What day comes after Tuesday? So the next day after Tuesday is what? So after Tuesday the day comes is Wednesday. Which day is come after Tuesday? So after Tuesday it is Wednesday. Now the next one. What day comes before Thursday? So which day was come before Thursday? So before Thursday it was Wednesday. Which day it was? It was Wednesday. Then the last question is, what day comes before Tuesday? It means the before day of Tuesday is Monday. The day before comes of Tuesday is a Monday. I hope you understood this question and worksheets also. So please do well, because maybe these types of questions will come into the exam, which is tomorrow. Now months of the year. So I hope you all know the spelling and the 12 months of the year. Let's start doing of months of the year. So first month of the year is January. What you can speak the name? It is January, and the spelling is January. It is January. So the second month of the year is February. You have to speak the spelling with me. It is February. It is February. Then the third month of the year is March. Here is March. M-A-R-C-H. It is March. After March, it is April. You have to speak the spelling with me. A P R I L. It is April. Now the 5th month of the year is May. M-A-Y. It is May. Now the 6th month of the year is June. J-U-N-E. The 6th month of the year is June. J-U-N-E. June. Now the 7th month of the year is July. What you can speak? It is July. J-U-L-Y. It is July. Now the month 8 is August. A-U-G-U-S-T. It is August. The 8th month of the year is August. Now the 9th month of the year is September. And the spelling of the September is S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. It is a September. Now the 10th month of the year is October. So O-C-T-O-B-E-R. It is October. Now the month 11 of the year is November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. It is November. Now the last month of the year and the 12th month of the year is December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. Thank you so much, students, for watching this video. Please do all the revisions or write down all the worksheets in the fair book and the rough book. May these questions will come in the FA4 exams. So